Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can learn about Express.js and create a server with Express.js. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web server APIs. It provides a set of features and tools to handle routes, requests, responses, middleware, and more. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor and here I have index.js file. First open your terminal. Next, install Express packages. For this I write npm install express command. Next, import Express module. Next, create an Express application. Next, start the server. For this select a port where you want to run your application. Here I choose 5000. I put 5000 port in a variable name port. Next, I use app_listen method, and in this method first I pass port variable, then I use callback function. In callback function I use console.log method and print the message in terminal when our application runs successfully. Next, I create a first route. I use app_get method. In this method I have two parameter. In first parameter we define route and in second we set callback function. This callback function contain two parameter request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use res.send method, and this method give us a response. Now open your terminal and run index.js file. For this I write node index.js in terminal and press enter. In terminal you can see I get message, server listening on port 5000, that mean our server start working. Next, open your browser, and run application on it. For this write in search field localhost 5000 and press enter. In browser window you can see I get a response successfully. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.